We're at Hospital Direct Medical here in San Diego, California, and we're looking at the TotalCare Sport ICU hospital bed, also referred to as a patient therapy bed and also called a med-surg bed. But more than anything else, this is a real high-end ICU hospital bed. It's made by Hill-Rom, the best hospital bed manufacturer that's out there. I'm going to take you through the bed itself is controlled from the rails, and these beds have the ability to basically do what's called percussion and vibration and also rotation. And the percussion vibration is basically going to simulate what a respiratory therapist would do with the patient as far as trying to break up mucus and things from the upper torso, and then as far as rotating them back and forth. So the bed is set up and made to perform those types of functions. We've got it right now on the main menu, but what we're going to do, in fact, we'll go ahead and just zoom this in a little tighter. We're going to go ahead and hit therapy. And now we've got the percussion and vibration and the rotation, but right now we're going to do percussion vibration. And it's going to go ahead and give us a group of settings. We can do soft, medium, hard, or medium right now is what it's on. But you have the ability to dictate how often you want that to go for. And then what it's going to do is it's going to rotate the position of the patient also during the physical or the patient therapy, respiratory therapy session. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and then I'm going to back up the camera. I've got a couple of the module boxes on top of the bed, and we're going to give you an idea of how that therapy works. So we're going to go ahead and start the therapy. So if you can see here, what's happening is that the mattress is actually bouncing on the top. It's vibrating and doing what's called percussion, as it would if it was going to pat somebody on the back of the chest and to break up mucus from the lungs. So the bed will basically turn the patient to the left, turn the patient to the right. You can see here, this is the mattress settings, but turn to the left and turn to the right is going to be done to change bed linens. If you need to change the bed linens, you'll turn the patient to one side, get them on, change it to the other, and then flip them over. You can see also the bed goes into a full chair position on the far right of the screen. You see where it says seat deflate. You bring the bed into a full chair position, it automatically knows to deflate the seat part of the bed. And then again, you've got scales, you've got alarms, you've got the main menu. We're going to go back to therapy. We did percussion vibration. We can also go into rotation. And I'm not going to actually do it, but you can see here how it's going to work. It's going to basically go through. You're going to set how long you want them to be on the left, how long you want them to be on the right. The beds also do have a built-in alarm system, so if the patient sits in any one position too long and the caregiver forgets to set it and flip them back over, it'll automatically do it. The TotalCare Sport hospital bed is just an absolutely unbelievable bed. We've got some of the very new models that have come out. They've got IntelliDrive, and they've got the computer screens obviously on both sides of the rails. If you're looking for an ICU hospital bed, probably not going to find anything out there that's any better than this. It's made by Hill-Rom. They are the best, if not one of the top 2 or 3 hospital bed manufacturers in the world. Made out of Batesville, Indiana, United States, made in the USA. And it's something that they can't replicate in China and other places. The quality of these beds and what they're building is just unbelievable. So if you're looking for an ICU, a patient therapy bed, a med-care, med-surg bed, medical, surgical, this Hill-Rom TotalCare Sport is one of the best out there.